Correctly using and sending transfers on RBC is very easy to do. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. Log in to RBC Online Banking or mobile application. Navigate to the Pay Bills and Transfer Funds section. Look for options like Send Money, Interact e-Transfer, or similar wording depending on your app version. This includes their email address or phone number and the transfer amount. Choose the preferred language for their notification email. Optionally, add a message for the recipient. Review the details and select Send. Choose a strong and memorable security question and answer to add an extra layer of protection. Depending on your settings, you might need to provide a one-time password or OTP sent to your registered email or phone for confirmation. You will receive a confirmation notification once the e-transfer is successfully sent. The recipient will also get notified via email or text message, prompting them to accept the transfer using their online banking or mobile application.